In this video, I will show you how to find your saved stickers on the Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra using the S10. First, hold your Galaxy S10 and tap the L command icon on the right edge of the screen. Now, tap Create Note from the menu. A note window will pop up. Tap the keyboard icon at the top left. Then tap the emoji icon on your keyboard. Next, tap the blue glowing star. This is the sticker section. Now tap Air Stickers to see your saved stickers. And that's it! You can now use your stickers in notes, messages, or anywhere you type. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips.